Hello everyone, this is Sean with Pew Pew Tactical. Today we're doing a field strip and reassembly of the Canik SFx Rival-S. To begin, push the release and drop the magazine. Next, pull back on the slide and make sure there are no rounds in the chamber. Next, point the weapon in a safe direction and press the trigger. Similar to a Glock, you're going to need to pull back on the slide by simultaneously pulling down on the takedown levers. Once you get about here, you can release the slide forward and then lift it up to take it off the frame. Now you can set the frame down, compress the recoil spring, and pull it off of the lug, then back it out of the slide to drop it. Next, push down on the barrel and pull it back out of the slide. This completes disassembly for the Canik SFx Rival-S. To reassemble, start with a slide, reinsert the barrel through the front where the muzzle is. Pull this barrel back until it seats into place. Next, making sure that this end goes toward the muzzle, press the recoil spring and compress it while pushing it up against the barrel. Make sure that it's on the second ledge in order to get a good fit. Now, line up the slide with the frame and pull it back on the rails all the way to reset it. This completes reassembly. Now let's function test. Again, pointing the weapon in a safe direction, press the trigger and hold it back. Pull the slide to the rear while holding the trigger down. Release the slide. Now, slowly release the trigger and listen for reset. We'll press the trigger again, and we have one more test. Reinsert the magazine and pull the slide to the rear to check for last round hold open. This weapon is functioning fine. This has been a takedown and reassembly of the Canik SFx Rival-S. For more information, head over to pewpewtactical.com, your definitive source for gear, guides, gun reviews, and all things that go bang.